This tutorial will use ranking and sorting to show you how to limit the number of names that appear on your screens. And this is a very important thing to do. This value screen produced 202 stocks. Few, if any of us, can own all 202, and few, if any of us, have the time to look into all 202 stocks in greater detail. So let's go to Settings, and I'm going to start here, the maximum number of stocks we're willing to look at. The default is 0, which means all the stocks that pass our screen. In this case, that's 202. Let's assume we're only willing to own, or we only have time to research, 15 names. So I type in 15 there. To determine which 15 names we're going to see, I'm going to go to this drop-down menu, and I'm going to start with Quick Rank, which is the simpler approach. I can type in something if I know something. Market cap. If I want small cap, I'm going to go lower is better. And there we have it. By the way, notice that the settings area is visible on the rules page and the results page. Now I'm going to switch gears. I don't want small cap necessarily. I'm going to use the reference area, and I'm going to look for stocks that are high in terms of earnings per share growth from the most recent quarter, year to year. Double click there. Here I want higher is better. Click Run, and I've got a very different list of 15 names. Now, as soon as many of us start thinking about how we would like to sort, we get very ambitious, and we don't want to confine ourselves necessarily to a single item. That being the case, we would switch over here to ranking system. These are multi-factor systems that can have 2 or 3 factors, or sometimes dozens of factors. And this particular model has factors relating to fundamental quality, valuation, and growth. Since this is a value screen, I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to choose a momentum-oriented ranking system. I think this would make a nice combination. Stocks that are well valued, but are also showing positive momentum. To see the details of how this ranking system is built, we can click here. It'll open up a separate window and show us. And other tutorials will teach you how to evaluate the information you see here. But for now, I'm just going to click Run. And here's our list of value/momentum stocks. What's important for us to remember is that by working with this area, the number of stocks and the method of selection, this is how we change the screener from a conversation piece, which is what we were looking at when we were thinking about 202 stocks, into something actionable, which is what we have when we work only with 15 stocks. This concludes the ranking and sorting tutorial.